Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with stainless sink, LED interior lighting, roof ladder, frameless windows, overhead kitchen storage, side view cameras, walk-around queen bed, cable TV hookup, outside speakers, living area television, bathroom toilet, bedroom television, wardrobe with storage drawers, battery disconnect, vanity with sink, outside shower, double slides, rear bedroom, console cup holders, pot and pan drawer, dual lights over headboard, decorative kitchen backsplash, overhead storage, booth dinette, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, GPS navigation system, flush mount gas range cover, swivel driver's seat, double wardrobes, flip-up counter, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, kitchen pantry, double-door refrigerator, upgraded AC with heat pump, sofa bed, bathroom tub shower combo, remote heated driver and passenger mirrors, a backup camera, ducted AC, bathroom cabinet with mirror, central vacuum system, automatic levelers, swivel passenger seat, dual bedroom nightstands, detachable power cord, electric awning with LED lights, lift-up queen bed, 3-burner range, bathroom overhead storage, shower skylight, fire extinguisher, over-the-range microwave, decorative wood plank flooring, bunk above cab area, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, spare tire, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.